The whole market crashed. What should we do now? Should we freak out, sell everything? No, you should not do that. And I'll tell you why. Let's get it. All right, guys. So obviously, it's been a crazy week. Last few days, and it's been a crazy week. Now look at the market, guys. Look at the market. It's insanity. It's insanity. Last 7 days, Bitcoin down 33%. Ethereum down 37.5. That's like 40%, guys. Look at Binance Coin down 45. XRP 21. It's just a massacre. Everything is destroyed. Meme coins are destroyed. All of our projects are destroyed. And what do we do next? Is this the bear market, or is this a pullback and it's time to get back in the game and not be scared? Okay. So for me, a majority of my holdings is in Ethereum, Bitcoin as well, and other coins, mixed variety of all kinds of different altcoins, right? So in my personal opinion, if you don't have cryptocurrencies, you need to get in right now and take advantage of the dip, because it's probably the sell of lifetime, at least this year, right? Now, there's been a lot of FUD. There's been a lot of Chinese FUD saying that in China they're banning the purchase of cryptocurrencies, stocks, all this different stuff, right? But they do that every couple of years, and then they'll buy the bottom, and then they'll say that it's okay again. So I think it's market manipulation, to be honest. That being said, you want to still be cautious. You still want to be careful. But if you look at this significant dip here of it, for example, Ethereum, look at this run up, right? Over the 2021, we had some significant gains here, all the way to the top here, right? All the way at the top here of close to 5,000, right? Close to 5,000. And then boom, some bad news, Tesla news, and then boom, some more FUD, all right? So obviously, we took a huge hit, like a 40, almost 50% hit, right? Now, should we panic? Yeah, it's definitely scary seeing my portfolio drop that much. At the same time, if you guys have some extra funds, it's a good opportunity to take advantage of the dip and start accumulating some at the lower prices if you can. Now, the 4-hour chart here, I'm using Lux Algo, which is what I use for my buy and sell signals. 4-hour is a decent time frame to look at the charts. If you want to zoom into like the hour chart here, it's still looking extremely bearish here. And then now we're actually switched to bull on the hour chart here. So bulls are running at 41%, institutional activity about 22%, right? So take advantage of this dip here. If you would have took advantage at the bottom here, you'd be up approximately $600 for Ethereum per token, right? That being said, it can, tomorrow could dip again. That being said, take advantage of if you're looking to get in cryptocurrency, take advantage of the prices. This is probably the cheapest you'll get in the next while. We may have another pullback later if we run back up, or when we run back up, but I think it's a huge opportunity. Bitcoin has taken a massive dip. Look at this thing. It's crazy, guys. Craziness. The all-time high was 65K. Okay. Then we had some pullbacks here, tried to move back upwards, and then we had major pullbacks here. Almost not quite half price, but it's pretty close. Pretty close. So obviously, the year, I think that the bull market's still young, but I don't want to, overpromise anything to you guys. I'm just saying that's my personal opinion. I think that we will consolidate back upwards and move to the upside. We just need some good news. I think institutions will look at these red charts and be like, we actually do believe in Bitcoin. We want to accumulate as much as we can. They're going to get in at that lower price. Same with Ethereum, right? And then that's going to bring the whole market back up. That being said, just be careful, be cautious, and something that I want to take advantage of is when things are moving upwards ridiculously high, you want to make sure that you take some off the top. So this time around, I haven't taken as much profits as I should have at the top when we were up to that. When Ethereum was up to that 4,600 price point, I kind of just kept holding. I'm still holding. So that's a lesson for me. Take at least maybe 20%, 30% off the table. So you can ride, basically, so you can have some extra funds to buy in on these dips, right? Buy in on these opportunities. Now, with Ethereum, I did get in pretty early, late last year. So my gains has been significant and I'm still way up. But that being said, at the top, always try to take profits so that you have a bag of funds that you can take advantage of these sales, okay? Buy everything on the cheap, like ridiculous cheap. Now, this is Lux Algo software. If you guys are interested in awesome software to help you make buying and selling decisions on your stocks or cryptos, you can use this for any financial product. Really, you can use it for Forex, you can use it for stock market, you can use it for crypto. And it's simple as this. You plug it in on your trading view chart and it'll give you buy and sell signals, okay? They also have some other charting tools as well, but I just like to use the signals here, the buy and sell signals. And you can actually go even up to like the minute chart and it's still gonna give you signals if you're doing more of a short-term trade, in and out trade, right? On leverage, which can be extremely dangerous, by the way, but can also be a lot of fun. So, there's the buy there, strong buy, 56%, 55% bullish, right? So you could have bought in here, 37.85, rode it upwards, right? So this is Lux Algo. I really, really like it. It's really great for finding good entry points. And if you day trade with this, it's amazing as well. Obviously, use your own judgment, and it's not perfect. But if you would have sold here and bought back in here, that's a big difference, right? 2,098 versus 33.95. So, and if you look at the long, if I actually would have listened to the software, let's go to the 4-hour time frame here. It told me to told me to take profits, guys. Told me to take profits at that, $4,300 price point. Did I listen? No, I did not. I did not, but it was right. Let's go to the hour chart. Let's see if I would have listened. If I sold there, or even if I sold here or here, I'd be good right now. But we are seeing a buy. So hopefully we can bounce back upwards, guys. But it is on the cheap, extremely cheap right now. If you guys believe in cryptocurrency, you believe in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets, I'm extremely bullish still, even though it's super scary right now. Don't get me wrong. Seeing my portfolio drop this much is ridiculously scary. Okay. That being said, I'm still all in. And if you guys want to take advantage of this trading software, Lux Algo, click down below. I have a link to get Lux Algo 20% off. I'll actually load the website here. So Lux Algo, boom. Or you can go to getluxalgo.com and you get a mobile app experience as well. So you can actually see it from your phone remotely, anywhere you are. Why choose Lux Algo? 15,000 plus traders use it. Solutions for turning confusion into clarity. So if you just go by the chart and the buy and sell signals, you can actually do pretty well. But there's also other charting software that you can use as well. There's a whole Discord, which you can join in and kind of see what's going on in there. There's different recommendations, a lot of professional traders there. You can get the yearly plan, the quarterly, or the monthly. The yearly, I always suggest, is the best because you get 40% off. Plus my code down below, you get 20% off. That's huge savings, guys. And then you can trade all year and not worry about some kind of recurring fee as often. Quarterly, still a good deal, 30% off plus my 20% off code gets you 3 months of use, and then you can do monthly at $67.99. Monthly still good. It lets you tiptoe into the software. I can tell you that I really, really love it. Every single time I look at TradingView, I like seeing the signals there. Okay, it just helps. Even the back end information like institutional activity and the the bulls versus the bears. Okay, and as I get better at analyzing charts, it really does help a lot. Okay, it really does help a lot. So if you guys are interested, make sure you click on the link below to get Lux Algo. Just hit buy basically and choose the plan. Let's say I was to buy that. You subscribe and then use my code down below for 20% off as well. So this is just a quick video, guys. If you guys are freaking out, your portfolio is down right now, don't freak out. Stay calm. If you have any extra funds that you put aside, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It might be a great opportunity to buy the projects that you think could have a very bright future at a discounted price right now. So some of those projects that I like is Matic, right? Matic, Cardano, Ethereum, obviously, Bitcoin, obviously. I think Litecoin is still a really good grab. And there's a lot of different meme coins, Shiba Inu, and all these other meme coins. If you were looking to get into shit coins, basically, then they're really, really cheap right now. So you can get a small bag of those as well, and they can 100%, 200% gain, right? Just because they're super cheap right now. But yeah, this is David Wynn, August University. Thanks for checking out my video today. If you guys are interested in getting Lux Algo, go to getluxalgo.com. That's my custom website that I built for it. Or you can click down below and use my code. Those you get 20% off. It does help out the channel as well if you use my link. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway since we just hit over 2K subscribers. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway shortly in the next few days or so. So bear with me there. And I'm going to have some rules that you have to follow to get entered in the for a chance to win $100 in USD, but in crypto. Okay. So it's going to be a $100 giveaway and at 2K subscribers, in which we just went over the 2K, right? So I appreciate everyone watching my video today. Stay positive, meditate, don't freak out, go for a walk, go outside, enjoy nature, do what you got to do, drink your water. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.